amra bedwam dwumadi so on Adom TV. Mpensenpensemu bre na asun. Yemfa ehwo na sekese enkoma enwekoya aso yasne Dominion Herba. Dominion Herba. Powder papa abedwa so eno no. Mesre woda wo hia bi letimi aboa ama wogina na so yalopem se ye ne tea nanom ansa na wapie akwadwuma wate eye adukese pa obi onum bi agitum sampa onum Dominion Herba powder odi gu enso hiemu wa beje di pebito baby eton adrobi akwa nsa beka bi ato wo nkranfo ni echre Repatch Ventures sanso na nana boache herba na free Angels Herba Shops mo ashaman monko Equus Pharmacy temafonko Little George Health Shop kofo yakọ Gapsim Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy ohene nana herba Owusko B Pharmacy ne Central Market no edi enhwe sumso do ne eche Tony K Pharmacy so ansa ebeka bi achomo dan so nana ya Provision Store Kennedy Drug Store so benya so owo na Giza Pharmacy Fre 0543 158 195 ana 0249 591 843 Dominion Herba powder for your well-being. If you can so you say person you be to aso e ma on and for happy birthday enko efama nana okay mamodi nya patcho fa cheme to gbega kaji zoga ya otoso mienu and your 70th birthday tegbe ya we show all the best nyame nhyiraw onyo kese omo ahini enkoso enye kese na entim wonom dada happy birthday enko emfa emao Collins Osu amankwa aye former NPP mrahye bedwani ma de hyewo Menhia North constituency sanso na Joseph Adiko ka former Greater Accra regional chairman edema NDC amyuko penfo mi na atena se no bi nkomo ene anopesa be kasa de chairman Adiko ka na atena se hwe no se Collins Osu amankwa ebe join ye Chema boko de.
Mejo Adom Mpome.
Nyame na do.
Fine.
Se hu ye pa. Sene serious e wani mu de. Unhia obi no akire mu e de akire. Ye ma mu tirim kwa.
Me da se.
Ma konkode.
Ye mo bi atirim kwa. Gana fo nyina atirim kwa.
Magic ne de.
Oh. Ma me chi e hona wo hwe na ne pe na awso na ukru a wa sora ne pe wo abatira. Eye magical. Na elections de bia me kan say election between Ghana and NPP.
As enough
no. Between Ghana
and Ghana against NPP.
And NDC against NPP. A referendum on Abai. Because for 7 years, omo abin. Until omo record in the past 7 years. In amount for asking for omo representing the feelings of Ghanaians. It is a sin for no if they had a peace of mind.
Okay.
If omo system here correct papa.
Okay.
Omo to abanama and that reflects Ghana for nya the abanichi.
Okay.
But because obia all asin fusuno asun nofuno.
Yeah.
Owe busin yi wo either in crime Kumasi, Takwa, Tamale,
okay.
Baby,
okay.
Ebi anye busuni bi wo Accra oye juma or say omnano. These days is skebi aba.
Okay.
Onankasa na system wo asin north no.
Okay.
Ahu chirabam. Because oye koko ni or dog koko or ye chain store operator. Or I mean koko no onya fertilizer for the bed door nefu. A choir or the corner form and any village in Ibini.
Yeah.
In Suo Obenum Umbino, electricity bill unto Mintia. We share sign of money war as sinful. The same thing soon war
Ghana baby. Okay.
It's Abana Kotuno. It is the expression of the people of Ghana.
Okay. So the 37,000 registered voters here were as not. And now about Kwandi toward the 17 million registered voters for Ghana.
That's right.
I said the 7 years administration for Kufuor no. And who's
and who tie Some ye bought resource no. I say in crime, tamale. Maybe because everybody was glued to the television.
Okay.
Obi attend the television set. Omo share the outcome of the by-election in the whole country. Interest woman. Yeah. I just say everybody say Obi ade hano no. It was sinful.
Sure.
It's your Bob a resource. No, you see the jubilation in the country. No,
across the 16 regions.
16 regions, you can't believe it. Reporter,
so what was the NDC message? Nankasa pa saying for James Jachikwesi.
Say she was sitting name. James Jachikwesi as
okay.
She was sitting name. I message the cross. She was almost on my road, road nowhere.
And not Omunye road.
Apart from sir main road yeah amai na sir road me say sir kwan there and there aban bi aba oye kwan
okay
aban as for main road but road dey here pa ni road a ubefi main road no na wa ko bebia asin is made of settlements
yeah
settlement is it settlement settlement no yes settlement ewo ikromo okay. Settlement to share amani. That was the problem. Into road out the kohono.
That is saying. That's the inner city roads. No,
I'm talking about the settlement. There's a settlement out there. Settlement church say kwai.
Okay.
Na nkofa ka settle inside. Omko do efo. Nti efo no bebe mo do efo e ho no mo settle.
Okay, just say 2024 presidential candidate I decided to call John Dramani Mahama. Does it mean say the 17,000 na etu abawo ase not edema James Jachikwesi omo okay dia magana for be 17 million say John Mahama wo ade papa come 2025 intino omo hwe ne so nyi MPP mfiri wa na
and American because abani record no na be ma amanfo ahwe say ometo abama ho because this year I call Minister of Finances here pensioners yeah, mami no more year juma for so many years. Some of us, you know, I'm saying some of yes, you create. Tama ye wo hono na nkofo mu ye juma.
Yeah.
Omo ba pension. Omo yen 1,000 cedis omo beto omo BPA draw. Because of that, omo ye investment so omo be fear at least omo dey do kaka that time anya me be for one. Since ya omo who premature death. Because he called the better a drew for 1 month no onya tell you about 1 day thought how can you cure yourself
but also okaya moko ase not assemble kwa na MPP are share catch them say ase munni message bia ya na mo
let me choose a message no your message na ma choose say she was sitting
there normal generic message obi opposition a no beka but the alternative of she was sitting no who catch them say me hwe ma sitting me hwe wi a dia na wo ye dia
then you go back and look at our record
okay
when we were in power our record 53 communities e wo no
e was not
as yema electricity cocoa roads
okay
yema contract say be cocoa roads so that baby omo so so be feel some a part of Ghana.
Okay.
Aben buy no say there or your audit. Up to now you audit report.
I say not cocoa roads na NDC Jan one no.
Yeah,
not. Chairman.
Oh, me too me call around though. Sometimes no, and you say nimpa there.
Which all the cocoa roads na mo dey ma contract.
See there many tree no.
Okay.
You see when you are doing policy, me policy me no.
Okay.
I'm saying that the abano obey take cognizance of what is happening.
Okay.
Now you don't have to come and score political points.
It's a cocoa road be na course on yenye.
Here fiti baby are from bungalow.
Okay.
Bungalow. U fasa road so obeko ubedu gangan.
Okay.
Ubedu ningo. Ubedu settlement be.
Okay.
Me bumper to it.
Oh,
me bumper to works akwando.
Hey.
Because in so be ta on one side of the road.
Okay.
Road at the train and be abas.
But it's not a kwanya and na Jomahama money contract.
It was all awarded.
but aban up na JJ mu
it's because I'm buying now asin of pel all over the country all the cocoa rows no northern west northeast Sefi, all those places mama all call rounds many call rounds most of the cocoa rows has been abandoned. So if you have no mama contract some year that was a different matter.
Okay.
What you are talking about put it a sin of is just a microcosm of what is happening in the whole country.
Okay. Chairman Joseph Adekoka, a former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, NDC, Amon Collins also am a former NPP MB for Manchester North. Chief, I don't know friend. Chief Bokode.
Yeah.
Last minute analysis. It's about to snap left.
Yeah.
Maybe I call it so also a phone call. One can say chairman in sopo me no kupa no problem na obet
Chief you be call asynod but em say quick one be wo ho Enra the national organizer of your party.
Yes.
Henry Nanabuachi on Badwam on Ekosi saying that's what the chow packets here Diama Ora John Alan Kojochre Martin for Nano Sunday rally na moye no aselo into wa show them into wase kakra na ebae opening fan channel as national organizer na oba bedru enkran ne opepre no abefia be pacho as member of Alan Martin campaign team I hope see we a true bibia
me da se ne akonya odi ama chema me chia ba me chia Ghana mampanyini ne na bedi eche na me sanso chia Nyankopon ya adomo ya mampanyini a Ghana benya 2025
where
John Alan Kojochre Martin.
Oh okay.
Yes,
former trade minister
okay. One ne hokani ne team ni nya mechia obibia anope na menua na bi ode acha opaba nti mpanifo se afiachi eniabo na o twentwen so ne de in fact na party for no akoma enyo ebonyo so kra isanse is becoming one too many kumawu because so sa na when the
no kumawu by election
yes but when the ebeye obvious because na nipa ni na ehwe ni ekoso rally no bi eno nti meka se wapacho me bi nsi bio okay sanse Orache Martin eba party ni mu a o senior to Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia.
Oh, okay.
Eba aban mu dia vice president o senior to Orache Martin.
Okay.
Nemu eba party ni mu dia.
Okay.
Na se ye party activities a Orache Martin o senior to Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. Sebi. Empenfo a o mo gina nyina no. He's been consistent. What places second to Nana Akufo-Addo?
Since 2007.
Yes, even 2007. Obian winning, Obian lose.
First round.
Yes, on one day mu edema nenu apanyi Nanado. Nti you know I was say yeah mebuno no. Edru baby a much as say we are so obsessed say your person your preferred choice a lead party no.
Okay.
We should have it at the back of our mind say panyini de panyini. Sebi. Ye ntina ho bio ma nipa bi ngro ne ho atopre. Na say papa na say ye njojo ni bi. Entwa yi.
Okay.
Entwa yi but me nua no apachew nti dia bio na meka. You say better late than never.
Yeah.
Nti I feel say party for ni nyina team Alan ne rank and file of the party.
Maso.
Yen so achew pani.
Okay.
Na yen koso anka yen homom.
Okay.
Because without unity of purpose, there's no way a MPP better made in Kunim.
But not na be can say Mr. say monso mo ma ade ne be ye bisa say ewie mo apaya ma osra tiesi Alan Martin so abra na something we can betimi deal with it in a small way be.
No. What was it? Ade no esi your public. And people were not enthused. In fact, time crowd no more announced the entry of VIP.
Okay.
You could clearly see say applause number. Yes.
Tamani announced vice.
Of course, there will be no way. You should be roundly welcomed. But on the musi na woko to extend that unapproved route now fire. Yes, so one sir. Offer speakers.
Oh.
Vice President.
Yes, I'm telling you, almost on this man. Yes.
No.
One through days, no.
Yeah, days in the day. Say you approve the year and one will be
okay.
Yeah, but fair anymore.
It when you should approved.
Debbie. Almost so no moon and quarter to
Hey.
Almost train no can speaker say na quarter for me.
It monitors now for na so man for free.
Amen. It was so bad. I'm telling you. Oh, but because of say your party asem and party back. The whole can say by me as security and intelligence analyst, what I saw, no, honestly, na bizarre because vice president must be protected.
Okay.
At all costs. Inti say, a kobase ase because of political expediency, propaganda, because now consume my train.
Vice.
Of course, I'm a ora naka say we know, but you see politics on. I never be over. Oh, be fan the tra, but na tra. We interrupt no. At the end of the day, no people fed say then papa oh kasa crofo budget on crofo tie. That's catch us say to botwen na. Maybe anya won intino. You wouldn't feel it, but you're a politician. No be interrupted whilst you're on political days. And now psychologically the way it's here. But I love the composure of Orache Martin.
Okay.
The way he demonstrated say was a highly matured politician. Said you nya portray welcome in your command na oneno hage say na owie ye no osato an speech no so beautifully. Sana democracy no was say no.
I said not na mo candidate na enye ana say mo message amane koye no e na se bi entaso.
Oh, a candidate in the wa Bobra. I've known him for many years. Se bi urgent here ya wona asinbreko ko school enyini san ko school pon university ewo central region we okoye the masters of America osa babak e de nim die nyina bebo anamanfo oda so ne wo mote ho eno nti no or find candidate now that is elections for you some of them no
okay
o betimi atina say now why analysis thinking say o strategy no will work at the end of the day but be adu be kwa boss no na nkwa ama elections a give and take what happened ewo kumawu MPP edi nkunim in fact o compared to previous results now you call your name in terms of margin.
Okay.
Yes. Same thing happened to NDC.
Yeah.
You almost sit. Because almost sit and person me say akonwa na ekọ to so no na ekura NDC.
Yeah.
So on them mention. And na almost so we able to maintain their numbers. In fact, almost kra no so by little over 200 votes compared to 2020 parliamentary results no.
NDC for them.
So
hey.
Yes, sir, if my memory serves me right, 2020 no parliamentary results NDC nya 17,400 plus.
Yeah.
And also nya 17,200 plus. So the mention. So at least little over 200 votes be.
Could it not be as a result of voter turnout?
Maybe voter turnout could be an issue, but it also affects MPP.
Yeah.
So MPP too could also say voter turnout now I think 74 point something percent.
Yeah.
Yes. A course so DTI. Yes, also no apathy.
Apathy.
I'm telling you. Obia jina baby a ojina. Yeah, votes in a swati.
Nanya mwana mo say issue na wo ase not ma resolve ni nyina we ne ma James Jasuko sinya ne TD mu 2020 ma resolve ni nyina so
ka say ye mo na ya na hwan mo because on say party
because a new patriotic
party ntino ade issue communicate say ya resolve bibia That wasn't the case. What I'm saying is a resource, no.
Okay.
Resource, no.
Okay.
And you're reflective of the now you anticipating. But what the measure?
Okay.
All things being equal. May if I look at the resource, one, apathy, equity apathy, because some party people, no, are not enthused, especially they see even on the the final rally, no.
Sunday.
Because now chromo no more kasa, no more buofu. Hey, the only year rache Martino, no more chromo for buofu. Yes, and also you see so many things happen. I was there, at least my cost spending 4 or 5 days there. The concracy any be. Tima na a share in cranny be to say I man, maybe I'm guns in the one.
Okay.
And crown for crew and ne Kalumo Honano. I was there. I was part of team Aye Mo Jumasa. In fact, my main boss our team no abaso. Yeah, share sir, your course our enclave no.
Okay.
Yeah, deputy national organizer, Chris, and then Greater Accra regional affairs vice, Madam Joan, and chairman Eric Nete, chairman Dollar, and deputy CEO Minerals Commission. Some pen phoning in a large BB team BB from apart. In fact, they did well, including myself. At the end of the day, no share resource, no. Now they compare 2020 now. No, na NDC stronghold.
That electoral area.
Yes, our communities. Na NDC stronghold. But we're able to bridge the gap. At least number no. MPP a course through. And no reflect it. Now here you know penny re-anchor. Also so more demo.
Okay, so okay apatia. Bet me about okay, because bet me as a party for are not satisfied by the way a party no power. Nanso more small.
Of course, and I say no. The moment you mention apathy, no.
Yeah.
So many issues come to play. Oh, okase wu komwa.
Yeah.
Obetimi akere obi wo menase po obi oho a ofi say ne wo hwehwe no de bia ne nsan kan.
Dear na ma de conclude say apathy na tisim.
What I'm saying is say your previous elections called 2020 no. Your candidate oba no.
Yeah.
Enya more than 14,000. Yeah, 14,000.
Okay.
Now chance enya little over 12,000. It tells you say NDC they were able to maintain no more, you know. Except to say so almost will be a more than 200 votes.
And your complacency
rather. MPP also lost less than 3,000 votes.
And your complacency rather. Maybe a amount for fees so where they you have a fun cool job.
So NDC there, adia me hunu no wo a send off no say omumpe John Mahama cry so baby do man. I'm telling you, omumpe no. Yes, omumpe John Mahama.
Okay.
And ka John Mahama say another one presidential no.
Yeah.
So I was anticipating say and ka John Mahama a very reflective ama NDC votes no akobi more than 18,000 or 20,000. That one we say MPP for no be about support wom. But that wasn't the case. So the major no. That wasn't the case. At the end, this is the omu ye nyina no. O you catch ma unye nambia. Maybe the me madwene mo no. Me feel say ye as a party no. And also ye strategizing more. Send ye be ya 2024 no. Ye be di nkunim kase. So the major ye be bu omo femfena. Because a matter of strategy.
Okay.
And ye deco.
Okay.
Me there from where I sit. Second this is winning almost winning about 20,000. And come in, I meet my catcher. I say, "Adiana you," but all is not lost because they were able to maintain almost 17,000. No?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, parliamentary. So on the major, no. Yes. And I hear the end so tea, the end and uncle so and this is the end so.
Okay.
At young crop for no man, young call you I was here Timmy ye near maybe almost some crofon no you was say ye Timmy and no almost a coca ye almost him say yes omo omo emeto abano nyankopon ya adoma 2024 no nyame de omo pie in their numbers emeto abano.
Okay, so 2020 as seen not presidential. Nana Adom Mpensenpensemu 16,067 votes. That's 50.81%. John Dramani Mahama 15,014 votes. That is 47.48%. Now, as against 17,000 and 12,000. enka bi nkyerɛ sɛ nkɔfo na to ahyem for dwamama hɔ no
Debi otie parliamentary no
okay
ora jechi kwesi
yeah
2020 onya 17,400 plus
okay
yes and now we know osenya 17,200
okay
plus.
so James Jachi Kwesi 2020 17,498 Abna Drowa Mensa NPP 14,193
yes and now we a chance enya 12,000
yeah
plus good into MPP ye de ne so te what dey meche
okay
yes ye de so te ye de ne so te no anko so NDC de ne so se so NDC de ne so a ora Jachi Kwesi no enka obenya more than 18,000 or 20 or
the one or the apart na ba be
the one the apart no you see me analyst
okay
enti no me hwe trend you know results now this is what it tells me say okay. Look adie no blame game be coso of course normal
yeah
but yentina CBU na yen reflect say what actually transpired because
okay. So
say yen crop for ne ko tuma NDC di aka
me ya se so it means say can padodo na pie beto aba ne dia
yes
there was no way say NDC betimi win
omo win ni kra na omo win ni aka there's no way say nka ye be 12,000 until them okay. Say you seat and you crowd
yeah
so all things being equal no we maintaining the core votes now
okay
onya ye no
so but at least ka 14,000 ka MPP betimi
ka 14,000 plus is you think it me na ana omo a na omo sa wo me na sepo a omo anto aba ma abnadruwa
yeah
a omo kotoma na na ado no
okay
so on the meche no omo to presidential but omo to parliamentary san crofo no omo ansa anto aba no because omo to aba na enka ye be win city no
on Tuesday 4:25 p.m. and Oma Hine Kwabra Santene Ashanti Regional Chairman of NPP Bernard Nchibu Esiakuye interview on grounds. I say as of 4:25 p.m. na nipa 26,000 ato aban. Na emu 16,000 ato de ama NPP. Ye na abofo no e ka kire no.
Eno ye hwan eka?
Chairman wuntumi.
Ya me chairman.
Yes.
Chairman they always say ododro baby a ni show penhwe. So the meche. Elections are ankasa na interesting because sometimes you know o hwe euphoria no.
Yeah.
Na one sound mini hu bi o say the coso no na be reflect. It's also one thing because abato the two man no nya no ye kan ma. Me papa ne ka kire me. Me papa the late Kwabena Owusuba na hene ne cancer sem.
Okay. Okay.
Damitri mi so nyina ne damitri.
Watch ma adwene sia. Itina Dr. Papa Kwesi Nduom. Ono na yire ne mamienu koto abanso wi eche no anya one. All the same police station.
And no coffee you know, I calculate say obi anto amame an na yire ne ne
man kwa de menya be 4.
Ba mu dru ground so no mu se papa de so ne so kra nya hwe. Enko bebia.
Etinye ne be to ama ne kan ma.
Ma call by election.
Okay.
Me call by election, ehunu by election. NDC yetima call damage MPP party say asen no. Sa propaganda me hu bi da. Me hu bi da. Me ko nkrase no.
Okay.
Me duru ho say be
yeah propaganda no say ye wo English dictionary meaning and all the political meaning yeah eye etro yeah no krese na wo kan ya na.
Me say dear friend kotokra ne kwan so onam atro kwan so
kontompo nabrabasem that's political propaganda
na da asem na make
and then this for where I say no
me see me hu bi da to extend that even on the voting day
okay
na emaya ni bi na park ne so ai ye ntoma mo ma ye me ye trumu hey can you imagine
I was saying no
I'm telling you omo de 2 years so say yen omo de akonya ne fam MPP a
okay
yen ye baba be implement ye LGBTQ ho ama
trumu no
all the mention tan you accept tan no maka 2 years old knowing very well say we enya no correct omo say catch tie me that's what I'm saying say baby am call ye ne dey in fact me tie
okay
so I was able to diffuse that
okay
of course yen ye call ye nyina consistently and me I took time I check mu say look nanka ye be yes ade na emra na yekuta 160 9 seater na ye wo no ade na eni kwase yes ade no
ebi na sa adwene mamuti
o sa adwene na sa time na trumu for no omoni
ebi na adwene ma
na miss that kra no na no omo advertise omo ho kra within the international community.
Okay.
So the mention. I hear then because our culture.
It is a campaign no correct.
Me say. Oh, mintimenti na hantwatro. Chama to no ya we. Chama to ya we. Chama mo na kwaye sa de no. E kwa ka tro ni de hu kra so mo say ka tuntum bi abekro mo bi MPP for na de buy. Miwa no.
There's oka VA
land process. Me nua otu kono. Na wo say da wo sere wa fi ni sin nyina na wo sere na wo take hamemu na wo hwesa me jamfi mu VA to mo de abegu krom ho. Okujeto.
Not on MP.
Not on MP.
Okay.
One adongo mu nyina no. Say nyana we lodging.
Okay.
A Ridge Royal Hotel. Na unim. Chese wo hwe car so mo de aba me say me de pick up.
Ene coin. Okura wo buy wo power no.
Me de pick up na coin. Chai, me pick up the coin na am de buy. Pick up na am de buy. Me de pick up na coin. Because operation me de pick up. Obi o home obi e bi say me de pick up ene coin. So me de Navara ene coin. Oh, but tie omo de sa chairman ba oda ne V8 mu de chire I'm telling you
and the Land Cruiser
what da V8 na chi Land Cruiser na onye onu nkwa o omo nyina but omo timi be kromo be ka say ka tuntum bi abewunu no ha bi MPP for na
MPP for ne esi wano
no you see politics no okay politics no oh yeah okay was also adwene ho say there's a judgment day
okay atemuda
o me to me very careful
ne na sase su bia
because Bible say ona meme no masem so ni bebu and me you very careful but this is for na your adwene atemu or no atemu no omo there is about the omo benya political expedience no ebino no omo de sa de no omo ka trumu omo ka say ka tuntum bia be hu ne obi a MPP for na di nyina be krom ho na omo wie ye nyina asoso no na omo sa eyede omo sa che ene omo che niema omo che man ntuma omo 100 cedi omo che Wellington boot omo che cutlasses you see
man cheshi
other tie they make no okay tie they make no okay so it will be hypocritical and pretentious on the part of NDC to come and say oh MPP for momo cha bibi okromo ho
it man cheshi
tie hypocrisy no na make demonstrate to NDC omo nya atwom no e na make ho asema no pay omo ya ade no
okay
but quickly omo tie si abontene
e de aba be hye
to na de na hu ba ko omo sa de to ye so ne say omo say cheap fake currency what omo radio station bi o friend Rich FM no omo na a set agenda no omo network omo wo nkrase no kaka information center and omo de to
tell me two more and I'm so many come up
drive to a station no catch us say look who is there now we wait my baba chem now nim omo ya propaganda na omo nka ba bia ya ko record case bia o
okay
omo dia tum oh ya che maami bi ne baby crisis ya omo to omo de kotaduane na such a flat statement no my yes I didn't agree yes but you see media
30 seconds now
media a recommendation
okay
to my party and they say I know it's a post election meeting because look they should invite and for multi politics I say
okay
so on the mention within the party regardless of baby and answer irrespective of baby and panigina
okay
so you perceive when 2024 trust you me that certain things be also yetimi edit to enjoy how your kwan ho enti me nka ho asem ba me hia me mpanifo no me ka kire wo
okay
so mo betia ebeboa ye nyina
okay
abato what to nkrofo edi gu ye so na mo ne na mo na mo yesi
former NPP MP for Menshia North constituency in Ashanti region. I think I chama meba so. Ba pa chama menye adwuma kakra bi emresi. Usu ehwe on Adom TV. Kerry yeba isi. Badwam esuni Mpensenpensemu and Augusto ehwe. Chairman, mama be say 2 minutes be out of
Minia. Idepa
propaganda na say no.
Me nim say Collins to me propaganda sir. Hey, Collins pa ni propaganda. First all the figures. I see NDC figures no it is by 200 votes.
Yeah.
Na MPP there it is less than 3,000. Wow! I don't listen. This is the falling by
200.
200.
Okay.
About the less than Jesus Christ. Oh, my feeling about the power. My feeling power. Hey, look at the 200.
Let's lose 200. And yes, we will lose less than 3,000.
Media. Yeah, it's simple.
Okay.
Omo ghost names na ewo asin. Time a year registration omo ko takwa.
Okay.
Omo ko phone call for fitakwa. No mo beto aba mo nti ho no beto. This time round no. Omo ntuma yesa.
But see, you see different register.
Omo amba. That ghost names ewo takwa no. They used yeah home.
Ghost names ni bad abeg.
Register no mo ewo ho no.
Okay. Nearly to 2020.
Omo crofo omo nti takwa. Omo nti asin omo takwa.
Yeah.
They brought a lot of them by buses to come and register them.
That bay no.
2020 as I'm making.
Okay.
2020 registration.
Okay.
The reason why I say omo vote from no. Omo takwa no. Omo na to aba no.
Omo na to aba no in 2020.
Oh, won't I say can won't ase.
Na menti ase chairman.
Open say make a bluff na won't ase.
Dey be good come menti ase.
Me say.
Okay.
2020 register no.
Yeah.
It was about 40,000 plus.
Okay.
That's the registered voters in Takwa.
Okay.
And in 2020 no, there was a high turnout.
Okay.
Now I'm saying that in that register no.
Okay.
You had people who were buzzed.
Okay.
From Takwa to come and register. Just like Hohoe MP. No.
Okay.
He took people from here to go and register in Hohoe. Amenu.
Okay.
So on the day of election, you could see that people were being moved to go to the constituency to go and vote. This time round, the people in Takwa were not buzzed to come and vote for them.
I did not lorry for any ho, not bus any ho. No more did any register name.
Say they will buy the vote. They will buy the voters.
NPP.
NPP, that's all. NPP, Collins, who can say no man come.
Can we supply information? It's important. Also, honor students, no, baby, NTM, I'm register.
Oh, okay.
Students is almost about my NPP. I'm telling you.
And a student be brand what? Takwa. Juma.
Students need the pay. They say, and they say, "Kakra no mobile no, or mobile to yen." Sa police station when you winning.
Winning. Mame.
Eti ye mumuna ekoti ayen.
Okay.
Me say the true reflection of nkofo muwo takwa no.
Yeah.
Muwo asin no omutu aba no. Yeah. We knew their machinations. No more year.
Secondary school for no more register. No more coffee. No
how many of them? How many SSS for no? How many of them?
What's it then?
I mean 18 years or more.
But 2 police stations at secondary school for no better. They're not quite over 800 voters.
MPP.
When you check the
MPP or more campaign number here.
Okay.
Omni say on the day of election. This is my ACO Kumewunu. On the day of election, all I need to do is to give him 200 cedis. We go and vote for you. Give him 200. That was that. See, I'm paying for no buy now. Because I'm taking part in it. You could see them sitting under trouble. Amudidi.
Chairman.
Yeah, to about
who ye nipa ba ko Ghana for Jiwood.
Yes.
Yeah, who can't my man for find difficult say you better doubt.
That's right.
Are you saying it before God and man? Say NDC call as say not by election. More check even one city. I'm a voters maybe.
Yeah, where there?
But my main council,
camera.
Collins,
no, look into the camera and speak.
Collins, on limit na studio.
Okay.
Na ye di nti bisa say me hu say man for Jessica. Bisa no. Me na na studio. Na ye no, what bisa me question? What bisa me question? At the time I hear elections, I was in the studio with you.
But so you shared on the eve of election.
Collins. Chairman, let me say. We say what may say NPP came with the mindset say they are going to buy the vote.
Exactly.
And they bought.
They gave money to buy.
They gave money.
Yeah, that's right.
And they own here. And maybe from what part?
And yes,
okay, now you're there.
Me say omo intention.
Okay.
Get it right.
Okay.
Me say omo intention.
Okay.
Say omo adia juma omo di okume.
So it could be say enya no kwakwa so mo cheska okume. Hey, I say no.
Me say listen to me very carefully.
Yeah.
Don't put words in my mouth.
Okay.
Don't put me say.
Okay.
Omo intention omo buy.
Adwin po omo de buy.
Adwin po omo de buy.
Okay.
Say the way kumewu you could say so be obi olonka rice olonka. Yama obi mami bi yama so.
Let them be straight, chairman. I say not. Who say NPP chase sika I say not.
Videos were how ti.
Who say NPP chase sika I say not.
At the end of the program voting, among for say FS akwano pokusika no yedi
Chairman Joseph Adeko.
No, you can't put me to.
Who say NPP?
Yes,
let me tell you,
Jessica was a say not.
Baby, I me tonight no am here studio.
Well,
me hu so muchiska.
Well,
me hu so muchiska.
Okay, that's
all. Baby, me time here studio.
Okay.
In your program the whole day.
Okay.
Me hu so muchiska.
But what share one who say NPP there omucheska na.
Also NPP we so much.
My child say I was in the studio with him.
Yes.
No, time I enter studio no anopa ni nyina na chairman wa koche niema. Before somebody in studio no wa koche niema.
You see now what evidence? Who evidence? Who said chairman Adeko ka extra bi niema?
Me see before say me ni nyina ba ye ba sempa studio. Na anopa no.
Who said chairman Adeko ka extra? Who said chairman Adeko ka extra bi ade?
Wa share light blue shirt bi.
Collins Owusu Amankwa. Who said chairman Adeko ka?
I'm koche nkrase no esa be che bi wa.
Afre Adeko ka so akọ omo.
Me see a team. Me kasa nyina o say me see.
Etu sa Adeko ka
me say ya zone o ni team no.
MPP chair there.
O say
MPP chair there.
MPP chair. Me hypocrisy na me kan wan sem say.
Eti MPP chair there. Eti MPP chair there.
MPP chair there say.
E wa say no.
E chair wo mo asphalt concrete. E chair wo mo e kwan ye chair wo mo light wo hwe ye so dem chair.
What we say question will be sabi. But all the two
ana me chair say ye koye aduma o ye ma wo mo mpumtuo.
Okay. Tumo ambo musika.
Mpumtuo wo fa be.
That 200 Ghana cedis kase na mo chenne nya no.
Ana me che se ye dinkania NDC anfa anko ne di bia ma wo mo ye dia kwan assembly kuta town roads
so that floor the
okay chairman yoko
ni propaganda
yes na yoko me topic
ni propaganda na oye
okay
o so nan kasa
a chairman propaganda no anya mo na mo ko bi o secretary
hwe abone so me amanfo wo videos amanfo na mo amonum asemo say me makoji to mami bi mami also ni me say
NDC branch executives and am the camera see almost say propaganda 2 years
Collins
chairman tadi o ni na oni
Collins
eh mo microphone na mo the camera so go go MPP
Collins may I say chairman 30 seconds
I can do worse than what you are
chairman 30 seconds
you see
chairman 30 seconds
anyway the bottom line is that
yeah
Ghana for Akasa
okay
through the people of Asin
okay
no amount of propaganda, no amount of figures. We hear 200, we hear less than 3,000, and no amount of those words. No, I know, say, elections no lose a day, and you have to find ways and means of giving the impression, say, oh, in this particular instance, the Ghanaians have spoken.
Okay,
they have spoken and have spoken loudly.
Chairman Adeko ka former Greater Accra Chairman Dema NDC Amanyoko no agenda 111 is on course steadily every constituency NPP government is touching Nasco fufu edwe fitwaso and ebai we say regards to Honorable John Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen, the one who can transform our economy into industrialization, creation of more job opportunities and better economic policies. And the only person who is capable to execute this task is Chief Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen. Kwakun Kansa, I'll say greetings to Kwakun Kansa, MD of PBC, Eric Kwakubodi, and Edway Ebai. I think there's nothing wrong for NDC winning the Asin North by-election, as it was their own seat. The NPP wanted to take it from the NDC, but it didn't happen. So why the so-called massive jubilation by the NDC? Alex Tufo from Hamburg, Germany. We say congrats to Joe Kweisin and the people of Asino for boldly naming and shaming with their vote. Opposition is gradually swallowing the corrupt NPP government. Kudos to Honorable Kingsley also Newman. Said John Bosco. Anyway, by Agenda 111. Penfosi Eshe say Dodo na betimi ewie before 2024. Enra and Penfoy a press conference what trade. Baby am penny so bo from MIT first one there ano. Amo boy man say the work is ongoing. Ghana for nyarish munya hoto so say Agenda 111 will surely come on stream. Collins.
Oh. Menya no correct. A year minister responsible for information. Ora kojo pon kroma. Edito o man no central for na enim say bosha aban no share yes say ye behwe na ye health sector no ye timi pejam say ne be access to health care no e be affordable for all. Nti no ho anamo na ye nyina ye hu no say out of 111 111 no emu 88 there me wo ka say at the various stages of completion no kreni workers wo ho a omo na aboa no ba bia ye cheche na ho na ye sane no nti trade na amampanyini kobo odwa de to o man anim say na niso ade hu no ni te ho asoso na minister no ekogina ya o chirem say so far emu 88 there koso nti na hopefully said the contractors no yama wo mo bre
okay
say by 18 months there now they are done with the projects ye nyina nra we central for move to site with the minister ehunu ye at least mu 33 de obia bebe omutimi move ko no omutimi na de omani edi akire ehunu sampa koso sana ye hwehwe de kom eji ane me de Ghana for hwehwe ane say ye be peja sebi wa pomuden ensem obeka ya over the years na health sector ewo major challenges one me kai pa say emra na former President Rawlings NDC one na the issue of cash and carry in fact a drone sikani ade ana ano odin
okay
ti na ni panu bebre omo dodo omo abeti ana omo firi na mo in fact onam a na wo hwe makola ene tudu sa market na bu abeko na nipa egugugu bu okra nipa funu gugu adan omo anya sikenti mi anko hospital kejeti anya na ekoso mra mampanyi kofo 2003 yes empo ye de health insurance ba remember say Ichema Dekoka party NDC they stage a walkout.
That's the mutual health insurance.
Mutual health insurance, national health insurance scheme. No?
Yeah.
They stage a walkout. But at the end of the day, you know, health insurance, abo NDC for HA will be our man.
Oh, how?
Oh, share a tuning queer, any woman stronghold. You have no idea. You have no idea. But yeah, passing, they stage a walkout. They stage a walkout.
Say national health insurance, you know, abo NDC some members.
I'm telling you.
Because some na yari o mso na.
Because adie for there. I'm telling you NDC. Say we ni momo adie for. Omo ye best. Say adie for. Obo say omo pie no maba.
So it's not because say yari na adokro mo.
Na me kire say na de adie no say ayefo. Ti ayefo no. Omo so no omo pe adie for mo. De omo na be ready kai. E na aboa omo. Ba me pese me kire say omo nya atwom no say ye pass no. Omo say o ye nso so ye njintum ba na be boa omo. Oh, they mention no. Yeah, buy ye ohwe whole regional hospital.
Okay.
I upgraded to teaching hospital. In fact, we did also in Wa. Same thing happened in Wa. So they mention MPP. Yeah, buy ye no. Ohwe health sector now. Extension and also expansion of facilities. No. Baby, and sometimes you don't need to build a new one altogether.
Okay.
Existing one. No. And expanding.
Okay.
And only idea aban ya aya no mo for madwene.
But that's Collins. Chairman.
Collins.
Na say health insurance na boa mo kura chain. Mo kura mo ko fa de ne buy. And as mustaji work out.
Me person me ko kura.
Okay.
La General Hospital.
Oh, okay. And can I add
him here?
Okay.
3 years. I have a more agenda. Almost 33 stages of
that region number one.
Be rich, I mean, ongoing, be ongoing. La, I go by side there. La, hey, 3 years.
Yebubuguyen.
Oh, Collins.
You know the land litigation.
Collins.
Oh, Collins, then we the litigation.
Chema,
Yes. The litigation. The hospital was already there. The litigation. La General Hospital. Our among for call hospital. La for la teshi nungwa referrals. Among for shops and the litigation. It was a government hospital.
A government land.
A government, no. It was a government hospital litigation. More the pictures. Up to now.
Do say issues in one Kenya?
There are issues.
It would need so much to be agenda 111.
Minister for Health.
Okay.
Time I hear vetting.
Okay.
Me at the television, no see. You be says how about also contractors go so. I say contractors, so I had to get my people to go and take a picture and send it to the appointments committee. Send to them. Say, say, I have no mponkone cows they go so.
And your contractors. What
they talking about? You don't come and tell us agenda. No more was a fatano. So we are no first.
Okay.
And so no more sorry, so agenda. I have friends so besides hereby we can also boast of building hospitals. Yeah, hospitals me. Abembi Obanu, the more power now. Your power is to develop the country.
Okay.
It's any development, it is good for the people of Ghana.
Okay.
It is not for me alone, for the people. It is a National Health Service, say NDC for more enjoy. It is
National
good.
Health Insurance.
So National Health Insurance. Okay. If the NDC for does no more enjoy, they are Ghanaians.
But when workers say nese mumum pay the phone na mudi party anymore. We nyatwo because we kiki against Adom Mpensenpensemu enjoying it.
The reason there was a good reason for us to oppose it because at that time we are saying that mutual. We have started a pilot scheme.
Okay.
Remember, pilot scheme. We are telling them let us continue because since right now, what's the fate of the system? It is broken down.
NHIS.
It is broken down. A lot of people are not now. When you go, please. When you go to the
hospital.
Paracetamol the
national insurance.
No.
Don't say that.
I'm not saying. It's a fact.
When was the last time?
National insurance.
When was the last time?
Said national insurance cannot catch up for
paracetamol. Chairman, yes, propaganda.
I want your people to take their cameras and go and
Joseph Anikoka, former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, the NDC, Amyoko. I will inform that.
Wiki scheme.
And a second production team. Monday or Mahine Kwabra Santino Bediashia. Background.